Hey guys, this is a review and unboxing of the Black Widow Angry Housewife exhaust. This is off their Race Venom lineup. I'm excited. I'm waiting for these to come in the mail. Let's get to it. So straight out of the box, you get your Black Widow muffler. This is a new Angry Housewife. That came out recently. Sorry to see how this stands up on my car, but I did get the 2.5-inch offset. This is the look on the inside. I don't know if you can see that, but they're pretty hollow through. I'd say they're hollow through. In a sense. Well, in that box, you do get some information, and I did get a decal. I'm not sure if everyone does get a decal, but I did get a decal.